Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Piyush Didolkar and you're watching BitNews India. Now, happy to share it to everyone. First of all, it's a very big festival in our country. So everybody enjoy yourself today. Coming back to our segment, let's start with our BTC buy today. It's at 2,82,100 rupees and the BTC sell is at 2,68,547 rupees. I'll be coming back to the price analysis today because I am analyzing the prices for Bitcoin today. So we'll get back to this. Now, our top gainers for the last 24 hours are the Chainlink coin. It has increased by 77% in the past 24 hours. The Funfair coin, it has increased by 37.27% in the last 24 hours. And the ADX coin, it has increased by 24.31% in the past 24 hours. Now guys, these are all new coins, so whatever the change might be, it's not recommended that you should trade in these. So it's just the top gainers today. Now let's see our top investment list. The ATCC is back in our top investment list only because of one reason, that it has fallen down to a price where you can rebuy things, and it has still not gotten down below its support levels. So it's still a very confident buy. And you can go and purchase ATCC and park it for futures, and then you can gain profits out of it. The second is the Bitcoin. Now again, Bitcoin, I'll get to the price analysis, then you'll know why I've picked up Bitcoin today. And the third is the Walton coin. Now guys, the first time when Walton coin was featured in my list, it was at 76 rupees. And I told you that you should buy and wait for fewer profits. Now is the time to sell it. It was around 10 days ago. Now is the time to sell it because it has gone up to 350 rupees. So it's almost a 5-fold growth in the Walton coin. And you can now go and book profits in it and maybe rebuy some coins too. So guys, in my first news today, I would like to tell you that there is an unverified information going around that Amazon will start to accept Bitcoin for all their products by the end of this month. Now, that is the end of October, I mean to say. Now, people, we can't say whether it's true or not until it really happens or until we get any official information from Amazon itself. But sources close to the company are telling that they will start accepting Bitcoin very soon for all their products, not just electronics or something, but all the products. Let us wait and watch. If this happens, then it's a very big boom in the Bitcoin industry. So let's wait and watch. Now, people, in the second news, today is the 30th of September. The date you, me, and all people who invest in Bitcoin and trade in Bitcoin have been waiting for, as BTC China has closed down today. They shut their operations last night at 12 o'clock and they have now shut their operations completely. So the exchange has closed, but as you can see that it hasn't affected the Bitcoin price at all. There was no influence on the Bitcoin price at all, and the regular trends that were going on in Bitcoin are still being seen, and I think that is how it would be when other two exchanges also shut down on the 31st of October. Now, while this is happening in China, Japan yesterday gave 11 new licenses to exchanges. Now there are going to be 11 new exchanges in Japan itself. And that is why maybe China, being their neighbors, all their investors are putting their money into exchanges outside China, but in the neighboring countries like Korea has some good exchanges, Japan, Hong Kong. Countries like this will now see inflow of funds from Chinese investors who are investing into Bitcoin. Now, people, in a very interesting news, Russia, the Deputy Finance Minister of Russia, Alexei Moisev, has, in a very interesting turn of events, said that Russia may ban Bitcoin entirely. Now, this is very contradicting, as just 30 days ago, which is in the past month, they were signing heavy partnerships with the state-owned banks were signing heavy partnerships with the Ethereum blockchain, and the partnerships have been sanctioned by the central government. Now, if a person from central governments comes in and says these things, it's really contradicting as to what is going on exactly. But as soon as this statement came in, the Financial Market Committee head of Russia came and immediately told that there are no such objections that are being thought of or are being imposed on Bitcoin. And as far as the Russian market is concerned, they will still trade Bitcoin as they had started recently. They started trading Bitcoin in the Moscow exchange and will still keep trading there. And the Ethereum partnerships, the contracts that were signed were for 3 years. So they'll still be valid. So, whatever the finance minister has said, such a big authority in the country has said, but that too hasn't had any influence on the volume trade which is happening through Russia. And overall prices of the Bitcoin didn't affect much from this news. So let us see what can be done, and let's get to our Bitcoin price analysis now. Okay. Now guys, in the price analysis for Bitcoin today, the Bitcoin, as I told you before, is currently available at around 2,82,000 rupees. Now, if you could see that, this level has been reached after quite some days now. And if you see this, the buying for this level started at rupees 2,76,000. So an uptrend came. It raised up to 2,82,000 as I told you. But it couldn't sustain the uptrend and it fell down to 2,69,000 rupees once again because people had started selling and making fewer and shorter profits in short term of time. But as soon as it reached the 2,69,000 rupees mark, it started to rally and an uptrend was seen and it was growing too quickly. Now the next resistance level is at rupees 2,86,000 rupees. Remember people, if this resistance level of 2,86,000 rupees is broken, then the Bitcoin will rally up to 3,13,000 rupees very, very quickly. So if you want to purchase Bitcoin right now, remember that as soon as it crosses the 2,86,000 level mark, it will rally up to 3,13,000 rupees and you should not sell Bitcoin until that. But as soon as it reaches 3,13,000 rupees, if you're planning to earn profits out of this and not to keep Bitcoin for the future terms, you will have to liquidate around 50% of your position when it hits the 3,13,000 rupees, and the rest of 50% you should hold, because once 3,13,000 rupees is crossed, the next resistance level is directly at 3,35,000 rupees, which is the $5,000 mark. Now it's a very big mark, so again you should hold it till that point. And just remember that once 2,86,000 rupees mark is crossed, you place your support level at 2,69,000 rupees once again. So you can put a stop loss at 2,69,000 rupees again, so that you don't lose much. And the target should be of 3,13,000 rupees, and it will surely go till that. Now people, I have got a lot of queries asking about the different pricing of the Bitcoin, and that is why people are not able to analyze my predictions. I will tell you that all my predictions that are made are keeping in reference the rates of Bitcoin which are available on unocoin.com. That is unocoin.com. Now I do this because I personally buy my Bitcoins from there. So everything related to that, every trading that I do, everything related to the crypto is through unocoin.com. You might be using ZepPay or some other apps to do that. So if you want to refer to that, you can deduce your buying and selling price through mine, and you can go on unocoin.com, and at that point you can check how much your provider is providing you the Bitcoin for, and then you can take your calculations as far. So that is it guys for today. Now if you like it, if things are working out for you, my predictions are working out for you, please like the video, comment on it with any queries that you have, share it with your friends, and don't forget to don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon in the subscribe section so that you're never apart from your cryptocurrency news from all over the world. See you. Bye bye.